Got him. Yep. Yep. Nope. Yeah. I don't. Oh, maybe it is. He's not fighting like a dog, and it didn't hit like a dog. Yeah, he is.
Stripers take runs. I don't run with that.
No, it's. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh no, it's a small striper. It's a small striper. Oh, do you want to keep him? It's too small. Yeah, it's a slot. He's close. I don't know. Do we keep him if he's a slot? Oh, he's definitely short. 28? No. Oh yeah, it is slot.
I think it's a slot.
Do you want to keep him? No, because
29.
I don't think we should.
Why not? Well, time, yes. Might be the only one we keep all year.